Good morning to everybody. So already we completed till exercise 1.3. So today we will start exercise 1.4. Before that, I would like to give the introduction about division of integers. Division of integers. Now tell me dear, suppose let a and b are any two integers. Let a and b are any two integers. Division of integers. Let a and b are any two integers. Then a divided by b is what? It is not closed. It's not closed. Okay, integers are not closed under division, because if you are taking let a be integer and b is 0, suppose if I am taking a is minus 5 or plus 5, b is 0, then a divided by b is what? Nothing but 5 by 0. Anything by 0 is what? Not defined. So integers are not closed under division. Am I right here? Then commutative property. Commutative property is also not true. You can take like let a equal to 5, b equal to 3. A divided by b is what? 5 by 3. B divided by a is what? 3 by 5. Right? So a by b is not equal to b by a. Therefore commutative property is also not true under division of integers. Associative property. Associative property is also not true. You can take like let a equal to 5, b equal to 3, c equal to 2. Then a divided b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. First you take the left hand side. What is the left hand side now? A divided b divided c. Am I right here? Now a divided b is what? 5 divided by 3 divided by c. C is what? 2 here. So 5 by 3 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 6. Am I right? Now take the right hand side now. Right hand side is what? A divided b divided by c. A is 5 here. B is 3 here. 3 divided by 2. Which is nothing but 5 divided by 3 by 2. So 5 into 2 by 3. That is 10 by 3. Right? So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore associative property is also not satisfied under division of integers. Are you getting here? So closed is also not satisfied. Commutative is also not satisfied. Associative property is also not satisfied. Am I right here? Yes. Then after that, the division of any two positive integer is always positive. Division of any two positive integer. Division of any two positive integers is always positive. Integer is positive. Then division of any two negative integer is also positive. For example, minus 5 divided by minus 3, which is equal to 5 by 3. Am I right here? Then after that, the division of positive integer by negative integer is always negative. For example, 2 divided by minus 5, which is equal to minus 2 by 5. Are you getting here? Am I right? Yes. Then come to the exercise now. Exercise 1.4. First question is exercise 1.4. First question. First part, it is given minus 30 divided by 10. That means minus 30 divided by 10. So minus divided by plus, that is minus. The division of positive and negative integer is always negative. If the two integers having the same sign, then the result is positive. If one is negative, another one is positive, then the result is negative. Right? Now it is negative. So 30, 110 is 10, 3 tens are 30, then it is minus 3. Are you getting here? Yes. Look at the second part now. 50 divided by minus 5. 50 divided by minus 5. That is nothing but 50 by minus 5. Here one is a positive integer, another one is a negative integer. So the result is negative. So 50 by 5, 1 5. How many 5s are there? Yes, 10 5s are there in 50. Am I right here? Yes. Move to the next question then. Minus 36 divided by minus 9. Here both integers having the same sign, then the result is positive. So minus 36 by minus 9, which is equal to plus. How many 9s are there in 36? 4 9s are there. So 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Then come to this fourth part now. That fourth part is it's given minus 49 divided by 49. Minus 49 divided by 49. Here one integer is positive, another integer is negative. Then the result is what? Negative. So minus 49 by 49, which is equal to minus 1. Am I right here? Yes. Then next one. 13 divided by 13 divided by 13 divided by 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So according to the BODMAS rule, BODMAS means what? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. So first you have to perform the within bracket, that is 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Here one is a positive integer, another one is a negative integer. Here we are going to add them. So ignore the sign, subtract the smaller from the greater and give the greater number sign. So 2 minus 1 is what here? 1 here. So the greater number sign is minus 1. Am I right? Then again, here 1 is positive integer, we are going to divide by the negative integer. So then the result is what? Negative, which is equal to minus 13. Which is equal to minus 13. Am I right here? Yes. Come to the next part now. The next part is 0 divided by minus 12. 0 divided by minus 12. 0 by anything is what? 0. Anything by 0 is not defined. 0 by anything is what? 0. Anything by 0 is not defined. So 0 divided by minus 12, which is equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. Am I right here? Yes. Then come to the next one. Minus 31. Minus 31. Minus 31 divided by minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. That means minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1 is what? Minus 31. Here we are going to add two negative integer. So ignore the sign, add them and give the negative sign. So minus 31. Now here we are going to divide the negative integer by negative integer. So minus 31 by minus 31, which is equal to plus 1. The result is positive. 31 we can cancel, then it is 1. Am I right here? Yes. Come to the next question then. Next question is minus 36 by 12 divided by 3. Minus 36 by 12 divided by 3. Minus 36 by 12 minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. Am I right here? Yeah. First you, according to the BODMAS rule, first you perform within bracket, that is minus 36 by 12 divided by 3. Here it is negative. So how many 12s are there? 3 12s are there. Then it is 36 minus 3 divided by 3. So minus 3 by 3, which is equal to minus 1. Which is equal to minus 1. Am I right here? Yes. Now come to the next question then. Come to the next question, that is minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 5 is how much, dear? Here we are going to add a positive integer and negative integer. So ignore the sign, subtract the smaller number from the greater and give the greater number sign. So minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. If any number is divided by the same number, then the result is what? 1. Are you getting dear? A by A is what? 1. Please remember, A by A is 1. A by 1 is A. A by anything 0, anything by 0 is not defined. 0 by anything is what? 0. Am I right here? In product, any number is multiplied by 1 is what? The same number. Am I right? If A is multiplied by 0, then 0. 0 into anything is 0. 1 into multiply with the same number is A. Minus 1 into A is minus A. Am I right here? So these things you have to keep in your mind. So now we completed the first question. In the next video, we will solve the next 3 questions. Am I right? Yes. Thank you everybody.